My name is Alex Gable. I'm here to raise the CMRA. Anthony Cesara, Houston, Texas. Go fast, have fun.
Andy Blackstone.
My name is Bobby Davies, from Corpus Christi, Texas. Number 707 CMRA.
Caleb Liu, Houston, Texas.
Carlos Pescado, Houston, Texas.
Cesar Canal, Garland, Texas.
Colton Lovelace, Midwest Seas.
Dalton Clark, St. Paul, Minnesota.
Desiree Caldwell, Conroe, Texas, and I am here to dominate.
Frankie Pacheco from Houston, Texas.
Garrett Payne, Harrisville Raceway.
George Jackson, I'm from Dallas, Texas.
Hey, I'm Heidi Chef from Houston, Texas. Happy to be our coder.
David Reed from Woodland, Texas.
Jason Camacho, Houston, Texas. Let's go! That's it.
Ken Schertzma from San Antonio, Texas. Number 425, representing Action Johnson Racing. Jesse Ramirez, CMRA expert, 93. My sponsors are Bull Pandas, Pirelli, DP Brakes, and that's it.
Jesus Silva. Perfect.
Jonathan Scott Fossum.
Jose Cruz from Alvin, Texas.
I'm Josh Rogers from Bentonville, Arkansas. Follow me on extramediaskills.com.
Josiah Burleson, Michael Rick 906. Josiah Burleson, Michael Rick 906.
I'm Juan Abrego from Rockport, Texas, and I like to party. Casey Lewis from 32 with Misfit Racing. Ready to go.
Kenneth Tang, Richmond, Texas. Texas Tech.
Larry Simmons, Houston, Texas, riding with D1 Moto.
I think I'm the oldest guy on the grid.
My name is Leon Clark.
Hi, I'm Madison Robbins. I'm from San Antonio, Texas, and sponsored by Oxy Valve Care, Catching Foundation, Alpha Live.
Matt Blair, Raleigh, Texas.
Maverick Johnson from Weatherford, Texas.
Hello, my name is Oscar Portillo, Racer 902.
Patrick Ortega, bike number 73, Misfit Racing.
Patrick Pita, Houston, Texas.
Harry Shadley.
Perfect.
Rick Rosedale.
Ronnie Grove, born and raised in Dominica, grew up in the Virgin Islands, USVI.
Shaggy Captain, bagged out in eye.
Sean Stauber from Austin, Texas.
Spencer, Team Misfit Racing, number 804.
Spencer O'Loughlin, Austin, Texas.
Trey Walker, Waco, Texas.
Tyler Matlock, Kyle, Texas. Brian Torallo.
Joseph. Stephen Shalacy. Jay Koo.
Connor.
Jameson Zish, 377.
My name is Travis Silvernagle. I'm from Houston, Texas.
Zachary Penny, Victoria, Texas. CMRA expert number 25.